Hi students, welcome to our maths class. Today I am going to start a new topic, that is algebra. Fundamental concepts we are going to see. So this is very important chapter for your future class. So learn perfectly. The basic concepts of algebra is very important. Okay. In arithmetic we use numbers, right? In algebra we use variables and literals. Variables or literals, both are same. Okay, like x, y, z, a, b, c, p, q, r, such type of letters we are going to use in algebra. In arithmetic we use numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Okay, let us see some concepts here. Writing a given statement in algebraic form. Writing a given statement. Writing a given statement in algebraic form. Algebraic form. Okay. So algebra is a generalized form of arithmetic. In arithmetic, we use numbers like constants 1, 2, 3, 4, each with a definite value. Where in algebra we use letters like alphabets. Okay, the letters used in algebra are called variables. We use the term variables. Okay, or literals. Variables are literals. Okay, so how to write a given statement in algebraic form? Let me see once. Suppose one statement is given here. X is subtracted from 8 is less than y. What are the symbol we are going to use? Is equal to, less than, that is less than, is less than, this is greater than. We use these symbols, is equal to, less than and greater than. Suppose if they keep here less than or equal to, this is less than or equal to, this is greater than or equal to. Okay, so we use these symbols in algebra particularly. So this statement can be written in algebraic form. X is subtracted from 8. So 8 minus x, less than means what? This one. So symbolically we write like this. X subtracted from 8. X is subtracted from 8. So 8 minus x. Subtraction means minus. X is subtracted from 8 less than y. Okay, like that we will write. Suppose y divided by 5. Y divided by 5 equals to. So how do we write this? Y divided by means this symbol, by 5 is equal to 2. So if a statement is given, we can write it in algebraic form. Z increased by 2x. Z increased by 2x is 23. Increased means here we say that addition. Increased or more than, that is called addition. So z increased by 2x. So z plus 2x is equal to 23. So that is called symbolic notation. So symbolically we write it z plus 2x equal to 23. Okay. For example, sum of x and y equals 3 equals to 3. How do we write? Sum of x plus y is equal to 3, like that. So P decreased by 5. For example, one more I will write here. P decreased means subtraction. Decreased by 5. P decreased by 5 is equal to x. P decreased by 5 means P decreased means minus equal to x. So P minus 5 equal to x. So this is the way when we are given a statement form, we can write it in symbolic form. So that is called algebraic form. Okay. So in algebra, we are going to use variables or literals as alphabets x, y, z, p, q, r, l, m, n, like that we will use. So symbols we are going to use this: equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Okay, learn this. Next one. So variables are literals. Now you see, express each of the following statements in algebraic form. Exercise 18a. Exercise 18a. Question. Express each of the following statements in algebraic form. So very important topic, algebra. This is the basic concept of for your future classes. Listen carefully and try to understand. If you have any doubt, we can call. Okay. The sum of 8 and x. The sum of 8 and x. Watch it carefully and learn. From the textbook also you have to refer. Textbook you have to read once. The concepts you must read from the textbook. If you have any doubt in that concept, you can get it clarified from the teacher. The sum of 8 and x is equal to y. Is equal to y. So how do we write this? Statement form is given. Sum of 8 and x means 8 plus x is equal to y. Clear? Sum means addition, plus. X decreased by 5. That is already I told you. The sum of 2 and x is greater than y. The sum of 2 and x is greater than y. Greater than y. How do we write this? Sum of 2 and x means 2 plus x. Greater than symbol is this y. Okay. Next, the sum of x and y is less than 24. The sum of, these are the basic concepts. The sum of x and y. Read correctly and write it. X and y is less than 24. is less than 24. How do we write this? Sum of x and y means x plus y is less than 24. Symbolically we must write. Okay. 15 multiplied by m. 15 multiplied by m gives 3n. How do we write this? 15 multiplied by m, multiplication symbol into m is equal to 3n. Or you can write simply 15m equal to 3n. 15m is equal to 3n. Fifth one. Product of 8 and y is equal to 3x. Product of 8 and y is equal to 3x. Is equal to 3x. So how do we write this? Product of 8 and y means 8 into y. Product also multiplication or product both are same. 8 into y is equal to 3x. Okay. We will see some more. So remaining you can do yourself. What is left? Go through the textbook always. 7y decreased by 5x. 7y decreased by 5x. So how do we write this? 7y is decreased by 5x gives 8z. So how do we write? Decreased by 5x means minus 5x. Decreased, subtracted, or how do we write that? Minus. Less or decreased or subtracted both are same. 7y minus 5x equal to 8z. Read the statement correctly. 7y decreased by 5x. Decreased means we have to subtract 5x from 7y. Okay. Next, 8x divided by y. 8x divided by y is equal to 2z. Is equal to 2z. Okay. So 8x divided by y is equal to 2z. How do we read that statement? You write it in symbolical form, right? 8x by y divided by means by y. 3z subtracted from where should you subtract 3z? 45 is equal to y. Is equal to y. So how do you write this? 3z subtracted from 45. From 45 I must subtract 3z is equal to y. Okay. 12 times of x is greater than 5z. 12 times of x. 12 times of x is 12 times of x is greater than 5z. Is greater than 5z. So how do we write this? 12 times means multiplication. 12x is greater than 5z. So read the statement correctly. Read the statement correctly and write it in symbolic form. Okay? Once again, it is very important topic. Follow the videos correctly. Learn from the textbook. If you have any doubt, you can clarify from the teacher. Okay? Algebra. We will use variables in algebra or literals. Variables means alphabets we will use. Like x, y, z, a, b, c, p, q are all the variables we will be getting. Constants also. Constants means what is that? Constants means numbers 1, 2, 3. These are all constants. Variables or literals, constants. Those are the terms we will use in algebra. Okay. So when the statement is given, we express it in algebraic form. When algebraic form is given, how to express it in statement form? That will be taught in the next class. Thank you.